Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So, what we will do now? So, we will show you how to make a smartphone case. And the most important ingredients is a straw and wax paper. And the equipment is scissor and iron. So, here we go.
Prepare the straws. Put them on paper. Take them. Split your paper and then close your paper. Take them. Heat it with an iron. Open cover the straws. Then the straws would be like a paper. Sketch your pawn on the straw. Cut it off. Prepare the straw for the side cover. Be prepared by using the glue or reheat it with an iron. Sketch your pawn case on the paper. Cut it off. Put the paper on the case. Finish. Last, put your pawn on the case.